So we are studying phylogenetics in this course material, and the rooted tree here can show how far a species has evolved from one another using OTUs. Here we have a phylogenetic tree that shows the diversity in writing canvases over the years. Our outgroup here is the cement canvas. There are three clades that are most closely related to each other, and they then diverge from common ancestors. The cave writing canvas and the damp clay tablet clade are more closely related, then they evolved to an animal skin canvas. These three have one common ancestor that links them together. The next clade has tree wood planks and leaf canvas. These two are more commonly related together. However, they do have a common ancestor with the top clade of the cave writing, damp clay tablet, and animal skin canvas. The third clade down has a cardboard canvas in our current canvas that we use today, paper. They are most closely related, but they did derive from the others, so they all share a common ancestor with each other. We can trace back for every species and see how they have evolved and what is their most recent common ancestor. For example, say we want to see were the most common ancestor for the tree wood plank canvas and the animal skin canvas. We can trace that rooted tree line from each species and see that the node marked in red is their most common ancestor. We can do this with all the species and define which ones are more closely related and which ones are more furtherly related. Nonetheless, they are all linked, meaning at one point they all share a common ancestor. I built this tree in this way to illustrate how species are always evolving off of one another to adapt to the current environment conditions. In this case, they evolved with the human species as they found ways to make writing tools easier to access and distribute.